Hey guys, and welcome back to Health Click. In this video, I'll show you what the BodyAccel Whitening Toothpaste is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official websites, BodyAccel Whitening Toothpaste is an oral care product designed to help whiten teeth while supporting the overall oral hygiene. The company says that the toothpaste is formulated to help remove surfaces or surface strains or stains and freshen breath, and also promotes a clearer, brighter smile with their regular use. The website also states that it is suitable for daily use and is gentle on sensitive teeth. So, according to the official website as well, this is the ingredients added to the or included in the toothpaste. As you can see, you'll see here the name of the ingredient with a short description, four ingredients, and here you can find all ingredients basically on this picture. Also, you'll find the scientific toothpaste usage and smart subscription plan example. So any other information you'll be able to see. Also, you'll find the directions if you want as that. So how to use it, as you can see here, they will tell you. So for one user, daily use 2 inches, example, days slash tube, that will last, example, recommended pack, delivery frequency, depending if you're going to get an subscription or not, so they can get you as an example a pack every month or something like that. As example, for adults you'll need 1 inch per use, and for children you'll need half an inch, and as recommended by the American Dental Association. So they say, or according to the website, you'll have to brush it twice daily, morning and night, and 2 minutes per session, and use the bass brush technique, which is an example 45-degree angle for the gum line cleaning. You'll find here the science-based, like calculated, the 1 inch, what is it, includes, example, 10% safety buffer and everything. But before purchasing, of course, make sure to take a few minutes to carefully review everything by yourself. Since oral care products can affect people differently, it's always a good idea to do your own research and to make sure that the product is suitable for your needs before placing an order. So if you decide to purchase this anyway, just choose, is it the one-time purchase or subscription option. And of course, if it's sold out, you'll have to wait until they get it back into stock, or you can buy it from another reseller. Make sure to do your own research about that reseller as well. And of course, just go to it, enter your shipping details, payments information, and follow any other on-screen instructions. But before, of course, completing the purchase, as we said, review everything carefully. Taking a few minutes to review these details and doing your own research is always recommended. And if you do have any questions, example, about this before purchasing, you can find at the bottom a frequently asked questions section where you can find example answers to some of your questions. Also, at the bottom, you'll find contact us option where you can basically contact them and ask any additional details that you can't find in the frequently asked question. And as with any like oral care products, it's always a good idea to consult your dentist or healthcare provider. So if you have ongoing dental concerns or sensitive teeth, make sure to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.